Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Anyang Hashmika, and welcome to Inco Center. As we turn a decade, and as we celebrate 10 years of work, very interesting work, meaningful work, of linking India and South Korea in an intercultural dialogue. In 2006, Inco Center started not far from here with the grand support, and that's unstinted support for all these 10 years, from TVS Motor Company and Hyundai Motor India Limited. This was following a conversation with the former ambassador Choi Jung-il, with our chairman, Mr. Srinivasan, and it was felt that although Korea was known as a fantastic high-quality consumer brand, there wasn't enough interaction on the cultural front, wasn't enough understanding between the peoples of these two great countries. So Inco Center was tasked with bridging that gap, of slowly developing these conversations across the performing and visual arts, through language, through wellness, through all the touch points where we could, as two great Asian countries sharing a past, come together meaningfully. And that's what we've aimed to do. But we could not have done any of that without the support of patrons and members like yourself. So I want to start actually with a round of applause for all of you to say thank you very much. Kamsamida, Dedani Kamsamida. Today I would like to begin by inviting our chairman, Mr. Venu Srinivasan, Goodwill Envoy for Public Diplomacy, the Republic of Korea, Honorary Citizen of Busan, Chairman of TVS Motor Company, and Chairman Inco Center, to say a few words and to encourage us as we pull up our socks and get ready for the next decade.
Consul General, Mr. Koo, members of the Korean Association, all members of Inco Center, good evening and welcome. This is the 10th year, a very important landmark, and I must say that this is the only privately funded cultural center in India or for any country. And this was possible thanks to our partnership with Hyundai Motor and TVS Motor. And it was a very small idea mooted by Ambassador Choi. And it has grown slowly, step by step, to build the relationship and understanding between the cultures and people of Korea and India. Chennai is a very important center for Korea in India. We have the largest Korean population in India. And thanks to good efforts of Rati, whom I must compliment for her unstinted effort, she has built this foundation where we teach language, taekwondo, yoga, cooking, arts, and it has really become a very well-known center in Korea. The membership was introduced in 2008, and I would like to thank every member who has supported this center. Kamsamida. So we look forward to the next 10 years where we can grow. This is really amazing that we got this center. It is in one of the best addresses in Chennai, and also with Rati's effort, the interior and everything is of a quality that Korea is known for. Thank you very much. Kamsamida.
I would like to invite Mr. Koo, Managing Director of Hyundai Motor India Limited, to address the gathering.
Very good afternoon. Consul General of Korea, Mr. Kyung-soo Kim, and Mr. Venu Srinivasan, Chairman of Inco Center and the TVS Motor Company, and the Goodwill Envoy for Public Diplomacy of Republic of Korea, And I think first of all, I thank you so much, Mr. Chairman, giving us this high-tea opportunity at the INCO Center today. I think there are lots of Koreans to visit INCO Center first time. Even if INCO Center has opened and established in Chennai since May 10, 2006. So INCO Center is aimed providing a bicultural dialogue between India and Korea through language and tradition and connecting culture such as art and music and dance and theater. And INCO Center is not very far from our side, but it's very always nearby and close to us. So today is really good for all of us to have experience INCO Center, where it is at the most prime location here, and is very fantastic, the quality inside and the facility. So I think because to see is to believe, and to bid is the first step to begin the experience of INCO Center. So once again, we really welcome all members here today, and thank you so much for Mr. Chairman and Madam Lati and all INCO Center team members. Nandri Wanakam.
So, Consul General Kim, we'd like you to say a few words, please.
Good evening, Mr. Chairman and Managing Director, Mr. Koo, and all Korean friends and also Indian friends. Since we opened the consulate office 2.5 years ago, we developed such a wonderful partnership with INCO Center. So in appreciation of INCO Center service, I prepared a letter of appreciation for the dedication and excellent service of INCO Center for the promotion of cultural exchange between India and Korea.
Thank you so much. Thank you. This is our great privilege today to take you around. There will be a short film after which we'll break for tea, and our team will take you around to show you the facilities that we have here at the moment. I gathered a phrase in Busan recently. I don't know whether it's Busan dialect or used more generally in Korea, but I think it kind of aptly describes the gathering here today. It is Wuriga Namiga. We are family. Thank you very much. Please join us for tea in the gallery downstairs. Thank you.